Hello everybody. When I decided to learn English phonetics thoroughly, I decided to use Feynman technique. Now you may wonder what is this Feynman technique? Richard Feynman was a great scientist and a physics teacher. Once he made a suggestion. If you want to learn anything thoroughly, try to teach it to someone else. I have been learning English phonetics for more than 20 years. Then I wanted to make it thorough, so I decided to take phonetic classes. That means I am using Feynman technique. My suggestion is also that if you want to learn anything thoroughly, use Feynman technique. That means you try to teach it to someone else. In my last video, I gave some confusing words. Today I will give some more such words. First word is GEM, second word is GERM. Now see the pronunciation. This is gem. Here it's a vowel A, as in bed A, gem. Here one extra R is there. So this R is to be silent and it is germ. So here length is different. As in bird, germ. This is gem, this is germ. Another two words, SPOT, SPORT. So this is spot, O as in cot, spot. This is SPORT, but here one extra R is there, but that R is to be silent and it is pronounced as in cot, so spot. Only the length is different. This R is not there in the pronunciation. So that's why I told it's confusing. So some tendency will be there to read this as sport. No, it is spot, it is spot. Now these two words, BEER, BEAR. So this is beer, beer. So my aim is to make you thorough with the phonetics symbols, with these words. See, ear, ear. It is ear. The symbol ear, as in near. So beer. It is a diphthong. It's a combination of two vowels, E and Ni, ear. So similarly, it is beer. This final R is to be silent. So this is to be pronounced beer. Now here it is bear, bear. This is air, a. So combination of two vowels, a and a and a. So it is bear. This final R is to be silent. Now you see these two words, DEER, DEAR. Spellings are different, meanings are different, but pronunciations are same, as is clear from the phonetics transcription. See, it is E-er, E-er. So this is D-er, this also D-er. Now, because of this, there will be a confusion here. See, D-E-A-R, B-E-A-R. So many people used to read this as beer. No, it is not beer. This will influence the pronunciation of this word, because this you are reading it as deer, then there will be a tendency to read this as also beer. It is not beer, it is bear. It is B-E-A-R, bear. This is beer. This is bear. In all these cases, final R is silent. Final R are silent when these words are pronounced in isolation. Suppose this is followed by a word starting with a vowel sound, then this R is to be pronounced. Otherwise, this R is to be silent. Here there are some pairs of words which are really confusing. Let us use phonetic symbols to distinguish these words. Now, TAP, TAPE. See the difference in the pronunciation. This is tap. So this is the symbol for A as in bad. So tap. Then this is a tape. This is a diphthong. AI. This is AI as in play. Tape. Tape. Many people used to pronounce both these words in the same way as tap. There is a difference. This is tap and this is tape. Now you see these two words. This is food. So this is a pure vowel. Now here also same, but there is an extra, a consonant sound. This is feud. Feud. This is food. This is feud. Feud means angry argument between two people or a group of people. That is the meaning of feud. Now this is a discuss, means talking about something between two people or many people. That is what is discuss. This is discuss. It's a flat, round, heavy object thrown in a sporting event. So see the difference in the pronunciation. This is discuss. This is discuss. But to see the difference in the spelling. So here one extra S, but pronunciation difference is here. Discuss and discuss. That's why I told confusing pairs. Now you see these two words. DESERT, DESSERT. Now this word can be used as a noun and as a verb. When you use it as a noun, the pronunciation is desert. Here said desert. Your vocal cord should vibrate, so it is desert. So here pure vowels desert. So it's a large area with little water and few plants on it. That is the meaning. Then verb, if you are leaving somebody, then it is called, it is desert. 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 This is also same. When you use this word as a verb, desert, this also desert. But what's the meaning of this word? It is a sweet food taken after the meal, is dessert. Next video will be a continuation of this one. Thank you for watching the video.